Alright guys, this is my friend Elijah. He's the one that have been talking here since the day one. So he is showing me some kind of pickup truck. Yeah! Okay, so this is the one that you are sending me the pictures?
Yeah.
Videos?
All the videos that you posted on your Facebook too, I believe, eh?
Oh yeah, you already seen my Facebook
I've
post.
seen that one, I love the one.
You love that
Do you
one?
want to start the car? Or you want me to go through it? It's a black on black model, it's a black appearance bucket.
Pakiramdaman mo nga. I-drive mo. Ito yung driving niya, ano? I-D, nakita mo D. Katulad ng Dodge natin dati.
Dandan lang. Sige. Wala na nakabab dyan sa ano, taas? Wala na?
Ay, patay tayo. Mukhang hindi yata magkakasya. Ay, wala stick.
Slowly.
Go. Keep going.
Slow.
Oh, just enough.
Yeah.
It's just enough.
Sige. Sige.
Mommy, you have to go off.
Guys, yan. Dito tayo sa bahay. So, bali, papakuli ako ng buhok. Kasi may lalakarin kami mamaya. Black.
Para kang ating business meeting ah.
Atin ako ng business meeting. Tapos na rin ako nag-workout kanina. Kunting treadmill, leg day, Sibaki ang next. Salamat si Ate Sinil nandun sa treadmill. Okay, go! Okay. Ay, not yet done. Okay. Tapos mag-shower ako mamaya para lalarga.
I want to touch.
What?
I want to touch the
Do not touch it because it's color.
Go now with your...
Han, ito ba itatapon na? O naglilinis ka lang?
Tapon na yan.
Ito Fred's?
Yeah, yung laman.
Oh, kala ko pati Fred's eh. Oh, kinakabahan naman ako. Hi guys!
Oh, wow.
Let's go, let's go. Go get your brother and sis.
Come on, Baki.
Alright guys, yan. Maganda pa pagkakakulay ni Misis dito sa buhok ko guys. Itim na itim eh oh. Nawala yung gray hair ko na kung tutusin eh, bumata-bata yata tayo ng 3 taon. Uy, Sinel, she's doing a great job. Look at Ate Sinel, she has a nice hair. Siya lang ang gumawa niyan. Deny niya yung kanyang hair. Sabi ko sa kanya, wag masyado. Baka sobrang tapang, magkakalbo ka. Yan daw ang uso ngayon, sabi niya eh. Nayaan ko lang siya. Anyway guys, today pupunta kami sa Ford. Meron na akong kausap doon. Subukan lang namin mag-test drive at dadalhin namin yung Ford dito sa bahay at i-testing namin kung magkakasya yung Ford. Test drive lang kami ngayon ni Misis ng Ford bago kami magdesisyon kung pwedeng kumuha o hindi. Nagpaplano na rin kasi kaming pwedeng kumuha guys, gawa nga ng bayad na yung truck at saka syempre itong mortgage namin is pa-renew nitong October. Ang remaining balance na lang nito is under 13,000 something yung remaining balance namin dito. So balak namin hindi na namin i-renew, bayaran lang namin yung the whole thing. Ayan. Siyempre wala na tayong binabayaran truck, wala na rin yung mortgage natin. Yun, freedom na rin sa amin yun kung sakali mang nagpaplano kami kumuha ng F250. Hindi yung mahirap din kasi guys kapag yung kuha ng bagay kung gusto mo. Kailangan dyan antayin natin matapos yung yung mga bayaring lahat bago tayo kumuha kung sakali man ba. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, tapos na rin naman ang truck, ang bahay renewable, maliit na lang itong bahay natin, kaya kung sakaling kukuha tayo ng isa pang sasakyan para sa ating camper, okay na. Kasi guys, sa totoo lang, tiniis namin ni Misis yung ilang taon kaming pinanghihila itong ano namin itong pilot namin. Ilang beses mo pinagawa yung bearing nito, han? Isang beses.
Maling bere.
Oo, kasi nga siyempre sa yagyag okay lang yung 500.
Ano yun?
Dry load ay dry okay lang yung 5,000 kaya nito, basta dry, yung bang wala ka ng inilagay na kung ano-ano pang mga kargamento mo, pagkain
Yung
at saka
RV
mga
pa lang,
tao.
puro 5 na yun.
Buckle your seatbelt.
Driver lang ang pupwede. Driver lang ang pupwede. Sa Bicar tayo, han? Driver lang ang pwede doon dito sa pilot, at kung hihila ng camper na yung camper namin, kayang-kaya niya. Minsan andito buong pamilya, mga bata, ako, tapos meron pa kaming pagkain, may mga tubig pa, tools, etc. Kaya medyo mabigat, sumusobra siya. Kaya hindi namin siya nailalayo. Kahit gusto man namin pumunta sa Amerika, mag-tour kami sa Amerika, hila-hila ang camper, hindi namin pwedeng gamitin itong pilot namin papuntang Amerika. So ngayon, yung kausap ko si Elijah, wala kasing Pilipino rito sa Bicar yata kausap ko na to.
Walang Pilipino?
Wala akong knowledge na may Pilipino dyan kaya
Siguro kasi American brand.
hindi American ng Ford, han.
Ano ba yan?
Asian yata yan Asian ng Ford. Ang American yung mga GMC, kasi wala yan sa Pilipinas Ford talagang yan, Asian yata o i-search nga tayo. Search nga sa akin, i-search nyo nga guys, sabi nga dyan sa comment section down below kung ano ng Ford, anong brand nun, anong manufacturer. Yan lang naman. Ayan. So since nandito naman tayo sa bahay, kaya subukan namin mag-test drive. At kung kasya, mag-apply tayo ng financing sa kanila, no? Yan guys.
Hindi.
Kung ma-approve tayo sa financing nila ng ng Ford.
Computin muna natin kung kaya natin.
Computin muna namin yun.
Mamaya mag-paycheck to paycheck na naman tayo.
At saka ang kukunin namin F250 na para for the future yung kung gusto namin mag-upgrade ng future upgrade ng camper na mas malaki, pwede yon. Hindi yung mag-upgrade ka ng camper mas malaki tapos F150 lang yung dala mo, bibili ka ulit ng panghila mo. Ito na yung talagang may allowance ka na, yun para sa ganon. Kung mag-upgrade ka man ng camper in the future, hindi ka na mag-upgrade ng pick-up, andyan na maximum na yon kung tutusin guys. Okay, so sabihin ko sa kanya, we almost there. Kasi ka-text ko na to almost there. Guys, tara. Bicar tayo, Bicar. Malapit lang naman dito sa bahay, di ba? Kung magkasya, yun, makakapag-desisyon kami ni Misis kunin o mag-apply ng financing. Bahala na kung kaya yung budget. Ito yung sabi ko sa inyo, medyo nakaluwag tayo sa bayarin, bayad ng truck. At itong susunod na October, ngayon, August, September, October 31, renewal ng aming bahay. By that time, mga 13,000 lang yung balance nilang bahay kasi inapura namin ng inapura. So yun yung nagbigay sa amin ng kaluwagan para mag-decide na kumuha ng isa pang sasakyan. Ayun, yun lang yun. Meron din kasi kung kuha ka ng kuha tapos mamaya wala kang pambayad pala kasi patong-patong yung bill mo. Meron kang bahay, meron kang truck. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung discarding ng Lakay Tracker dito sa Canada, yung ginagawa namin mag-asawa. Hindi yung bang pag nagustuhan mo kukunin mo, hindi, inaantay talaga namin yung tamang panahon. Mahirap din kasi yung ano guys yung sige lang ng sige eh. Porket nagustuhan mo isang bagay, banatan mo, kunin mo, bilhin mo, ganyan. Hindi maganda yun. Dito ba o sa kabila? Sa kabila pa? Baliwa ka na rito. Hindi na dun sa main street. Main street na lang? Ikot pa tayo.
Hindi, talagang mag-ano, pupunta ka naman doon eh. Kasi nandun siya.
Oh, pero merong pakanan na gano'n. Kaya dito ka na. Salter, tapos tagusin natin dun sa kabila pa gano'n. Doon sa ano yun, Han, yung nasa Lila yun eh. Lila banda yata yun eh.
Hindi ka pwedeng mag-ano sa ano. Ito na yun, lila na to. Walang antagusan doon, Han.
Oh, wala ba?
Oo, lila na ito eh.
Sige. Kasi nung umuwi tayo doon, galing ako doon eh. Galing
Kaya
tayo.
galing ka dito, nag-U-turn papunta doon. Galing ka dito kasi akala mo yun.
Oh, ito
ang
na yata.
uwikan. Hindi nga yan.
Ang Ford?
Oo, hindi nga yan.
Ford, yun Han.
Wala. Para ka namang hindi ako taga-Winnipeg, Han. Ilang beses na tayo.
Nang gusto kasi. Manager is special now. Magaling ka talaga. Eastern Jeep Ram pala yan ah. Hindi pala. Ayan pala oh. Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Yan pala yun. Ayan oh, yung ano lang guys, only $99 weekly. So $400. Hindi ah, mga brand yan. Marami ng mga ano ngayon, marami na silang pakulo ngayon kasi mag-27 na yung sasakyan eh. Kunin mo na dito. Wala na, truck ka na. Sabi mo. Ayan. Mag-27 na kasi kung sakali man. Kaya marami na silang pakulo eh. Parating na yung mga 2027 vehicle eh. August yata yun eh. August yata yung bang magpe-phase out yung 2026 tapos darating yung 2027 parang gano'n. Alright guys, andito lang oh. So kita nyo wala pang 10 minutes lang yung ano hindi ko pinatay yung vlog ko na to. 10 minutes, andito na tayo sa Picar. So papasok muna ako sa loob guys. Ano? Yan ibig ko sabihin. Ano bang street yan?
Pimpulton.
Pimpulton. Yun naman eh kung ma-approve. Pero ngayon test drive muna. Test drive lang muna kami ni Misis. Sila. Ha, doon muna, mag-park muna tayo. Tapos papasok tayo sa loob.
So, ikaw na pumasok.
Oo, ako na lang. Atras ka na lang kung mas madali ko doon. Alright guys. So bali papasok muna ako sa loob guys. Alamin ko muna kung anong sitwasyon doon. Hirap din naman. Dito muna kayan. Ito ko lang yung pitaka ko. Tapos, kasi andun yung ano ko, andun yung driver's license ko kung sakali. Basta. Good. I'm a little vlogger. Is that okay to you, the camera?
Yes, but are you here to see someone?
Yes, Elijah.
Elijah? Okay, please.
Alright guys, this is my friend Elijah. He's the one that been talking here since the day one. So he is showing me some kind of pickup truck.
What kind of pickup truck is it though?
We're looking about the Super Duty
Lariat.
Lariat?
Super Duty. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the one that you are sending me the pictures,
Yeah.
videos.
All the videos that you posted on your Facebook too, I believe, eh?
Oh yeah, you already seen my Facebook.
I've seen that one. I love the one.
You love that
Wait, you
one?
want to start the car? Or you want me to go through it? It's a black on black model. It's a black appearance bucket.
Oh, what are those? It's already
It already has the liners on it.
big. Okay, big
Yeah.
liners on it. Okay. Alright, everything is in there now.
Yeah.
I wanna
Told you,
see.
I got you teams. I
Huh?
got black rims. We got the liners in it. And it's a Lariat package, so you get the full package in the front. Like you get the sunroof, moonroof, you get the heated seats in the back, in the front. Everything's completed.
Everything is completed,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Take a look for yourself.
Yeah, that's why it's too high for me.
The sunroof
Hopefully
cooling
it-
seats, eh?
Yeah, I know. Hopefully it will fit into my, because I have the SUV on the pilot and this one. So the first thing I wanna do is I wanna try to fit them together, and if hopefully it will fit.
Yeah.
There's no other color on this one.
Color on this one, Lariat's no, unfortunately. This is the only color on the Lariat that I could get. Yeah.
Alright.
Lariats are super rare, to be honest.
Okay. So we're going to do that thing anytime?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. Alright, my friend. I'll see you later.
Oh no, give me
Okay.
a second, give me a second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Driver's license?
Yeah, driver
Okay.
license, I would grab your dealer's plate and I need a signature from.
Okay, let's go guys. Punta muna kami sa loob. Alright, dito tayo sa opisina. Ito naman maganda. Ay, sold na to. F250 Lariat. Yun. So, Ritso. This is the office of my friend. Okay.
Oh damn, too crowded.
So, okay, so good.
We've been busy, right? This is it, yeah. Just a signature here.
Okay, signature there.
Yeah. This.
Here.
Yeah, customer signature. I've got your driving license here for the copy. Got home address for me? Oh, I got it here.
Do we need to put this one or just hold it?
No, I'm gonna put it down for you, don't worry.
Oh, okay, you're gonna put it on. Lalagyan na lahat pala to, guys. Okay, so guys, you have some question here. Elijah.
Need to know anything
It's
about
really
the
him.
truck, any cars.
Yeah, it's really
Yeah,
him.
thanks, guys.
Yeah, it's really him.
Without the title.
Yeah, it's really him. Not guys. This one is sold already, right?
Yeah, it's sold. Actually, I was planning on selling it to my customer, someone else sold it faster.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's a really nice car.
Yes.
It's a hybrid.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Tara guys.
There she go. Got the keys, right?
Huh?
Got the keys, Esther?
Kids? Oh my phone, yeah. With the kids.
Pupunta na kami sa kakay.
Hindi pa han. Oh, muna.
Price I got you for this, like, if you want to cut this part, like, cut it later.
Ah?
The price I got you for this, nobody in the whole Canada could get it. for
Hopefully,
you.
hopefully. Hopefully we will.
Go check any place. Go check any place. Like, I was so proud of myself for the price I got.
Yeah, I know. That's the thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So everything has in it, including
everything
the
included.
7-way or...
You haven't seen the inside of this car, like.
No, we haven't seen it.
It's amazing, bro. When I got inside of the car, like, let me show you some features in it.
Yeah. Show me, please.
Yeah, sorry, car. See?
Let's go here. Show it to me. Look. Taas. Nangangamoy leather. Oh, leather. So this is the... So this is the... Ay, ganda. Mayroon siyang step, oh. Huh?
F250 Lariat.
And...
It's not the XL, it's not the XLT, it's a Lariat, so it comes with leather, with like premium leather interior. Cooling seat, this is a black appearance package, so it comes with everything. It comes with cooling seats, heated steering wheels. You even get heated seats in the back.
Heated seat too?
In the back, yeah.
Okay.
You get the sliding window, full sunroof, moonroof. Start the car. Let's open it.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Full package.
Okay, that's nice.
You get different driving modes on this one.
What is this? Is it really like this?
Yeah, so nothing can
Oh,
get
okay.
inside the car.
Okay.
Now take a look at that. You get different driving modes. Eco,
To
towing,
haul, okay.
yeah,
Normal.
driving,
Slippery.
perfect for
Off-road.
and that's it. Yeah.
Okay, so right
Usually
now
we go with normal.
Normal,
Right now
okay.
we're not towing anything, we're not carrying anything, so we go with normal.
That's,
Right now.
that's a big one.
That's a big one. I'm telling you, I got you every feature on this one.
Is it? I think this one
And
is
you
the...
get Sirius XM for free for about a year.
Mhm.
And on the other hand, you get Ford Pass, Ford app for life. Like
What?
you can start this car from Mexico while the car is in Winnipeg.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna install your phone to the car. Like
So the Wi-Fi, I think it's free.
Wi-Fi, I gotta check that if it's free or not.
Because my friend it has the same, but him is a little lower trim, I guess,
Lower trim probably.
for Lariat.
Yeah.
But he has a Wi-Fi in it. I think it's
So
already...
this one probably has it too. Like if that one. All the plugs come with it. You can make mojito here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how many kilometer?
And look at this.
15.3.
This is.
You never,
Yeah, I
you
told
never
you.
lied to me. 15.3
Brother, I
kilometer.
never lied once to my customers in this job.
Yeah. Right.
This is a wireless charging. Just drop the phone here. Let me show you. Just drop your phone here.
You're good to go.
Yeah. It starts charging. Look at this.
Huh?
Starts charging.
Oh yeah, it's charging already.
Charging already. You get fast charging here. And you get a full. Oh yeah, this was cool for me. Like, that was the first time I saw this thing. Like, I've never seen this on any other car. You get 4 cup holders now. Or you can have 2.
Yeah.
And you get a full space here.
Oh wow, ang lalalim
Yeah.
guys, oh.
And you can get another plug here on this side.
There's a light too.
Yeah.
And there's a
Gotta
cup
see all the
holder
leaf.
too.
Yeah.
And there's another cup holder there
A
too.
lot of cup holders. You would not have, like, you got 2 over here only.
There's a lot of cup
on the
holder
side.
if you wanna go coffee or anything. So
If you ever decide to go drinking and driving, do not do it.
Oh,
That's
no.
amazing
coffee
car for
is
it.
coffee is good.
Yeah.
But don't
Coffee
drink.
all day.
Can we check the back?
Of course. This is in the back.
Super duty guys. Yung gusto kong makita rito yung ano. So this is the one that I really want to see.
Let's see, let's see.
The one that's in... Oh wow.
The full
Oh
box.
my god, this is a cabule. It's a huge that you can put your things. Oh, nice.
And again, as I said, heated seats in the back. Those are extremely rare.
Leather premium.
And the leather is premium, yeah. And let me show you.
And there's another thing too there.
You gotta get your jack here. Yeah, you can get that taken out too.
Oh, you have everything in there too.
All the stuff is in the back, yeah.
You can just pull it up.
Let me come on the other side. Let me show you.
Okay.
Oh, this one doesn't come down.
Uy, shit. Uy. Masab na. One.
Oh, damn, you can stand up in the rain.
No, I think it is.
I don't think it is because it should have a pull.
Or you can just pull it in somewhere else, no?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, so it's already in like
Yeah.
that. Alright. All good.
All
Now I
good.
see everything now.
Let's see how it drives. So.
Yeah.
Diesel.
Okay. It's not breaking. It's not broken. It's not broken. Shit.
This is still in dealership. I can fix it.
Okay.
Already made something. Yes. Let's see if it fits in the garage.
Yeah, we'll see in the, I'll see. You wanna come?
Yes, garage.
Are you coming?
No, that's why I signed the phone.
Oh, okay,
Take
so-
it, you got 30 like about an
I'm just
hour.
gonna get my daughter to come in with me in there. Okay?
course, of
Alright.
course.
I will see you
Yeah,
later.
for sure, brother. Take care, okay?
Okay, thank you. Okay. I'll go get my daughter.
Yeah.
Tinel! Come! Come with me in the car. That, ano, siya yung... Siyang... You're the first sit down in there.
Kami pupunta doon, oh.
Ha? Sumunod ka. Antayin kasi ipapasok din natin ito kasi alam natin dalawa eh. Awakan mo na yan. Antayin ka namin.
Mauna na kami.
Hindi, magantay tayo. Sundan nyo kami. Yung shade ko, pakiabot mo. Tapos pagbalik, ikaw na mag-drive. Hindi, kasi para malaman mo rin. Hindi.
Na-approve ka na ba?
Sinisigaw ni Miss, na-approve ka na ba? So what you think? You wanna drive one day? Yeah, galingan mo ah! Here.
We're buying black?
Yeah, there's no. Doon ka sa kabila. There's no ano, bibi eh. There's no other other kulay.
Ah.
Don't forget to wear your seatbelt. Seatbelt. You gotta make sure your seatbelt is on, okay?
Yeah, so...
Okay, so reverse. Reverse. Yung camera oh, dito oh. We're leaving the park. Kitang kaya 360 ang camera. Mahirap palang yan kasi masyadong ano.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because it's big.
Yeah, it's big. That's why I have to lean in the other side too. Kailangan kong tumabing dahan-dahan lang. Right? Truck driver. Hirapan pa tayong lumabas, pambihira. Okay guys, talagang hirap kami kasi masikip, mahaba, mahirap na. Dahan-dahan lang. Alright guys, nahirapan pa ako dun. Alright guys so let's go. Where's mom? Nandun na sila mom. It's too big, right, Bibi?
Yeah.
This is good for our camper. But maybe if we get approved with this one, we will go get it into America. Oh, that's superpower. Alright, yes.
Is the thing sensitive, like
The pedal?
yeah,
Yeah, it is sensitive, very sensitive.
more sensitive than the pilot?
Yeah, it is. Because this one is stronger than the pilot.
And yeah, faster.
Oh, and stronger, faster, and can pull. Alright, and guys, test drive natin ito. Hanggang sa bahay, pasok muna namin sa bahay ito.
They allow us?
Yeah, doon tayo sa kabila. Laki, parang ano, nakakapanibagong yung maniyo. Parang truck lang eh. Dito tayo. Pwede kumanan dito tayo.
Mom's already at the house.
Oh, maybe. Oh, dyan na lang tayo. Dito na lang.
There's a cover in the back.
Wala pang cover ito anak. Kukuha pa talang tayo ng cover kung sakali. Hindi na kasama sa ano eh, sa Lariat package at saka black appearance package yung the cover. It's na hindi kasama siya. Kung sakali makuha natin ito.
Yeah, hope so.
If we get approved with the financing, we'll see. Doon sa magandang presyo. Test drive. Doon na lang tayo sa kabila. Salter and the Misis. Doon na lang tayo, diretso na lang tayo sa kabila.
Yeah.
Stop. Hindi pa nagagasgas yung ano, yung ano nito guys. Hindi pa nagagasgas yung makina nito. Hindi pa na break in. Ito, Gregor. And then over there, our house now. It's a big mirror, right?
Yeah.
You see everything.
The screen too.
The screen is too huge too. Knows everything. This one knows everything. Ganda. You wanna drive this one day?
Maybe.
Hopefully. If we get approved with this one. Because you're a big girl, you're tall, so this is good for you, something like this. Natrap ako dun. Eksakto yung bus. Bus is stopped in there too. The smell brand new, right? Parang ano? Ito. Ano pa siya? Leather na leather.
Real fresh.
Moonroof. The top. Sunroof. Nandun na sila Misis sa bahay. Tapos sa iskinita, hindi iskinita eh, ang ano, kailangan nating ano, dito sa iskinita natin. Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa garage namin, park namin. Titignan namin ni Misis kung ipinasok na ni Misis. Sige, bibig mo pa. Baba. Sige muna natin sa park mode. So see, nakita nyo guys, 20 km lang, no? So kanina 15.4, so ibig sabihin 4 km and 4 meter lang mula dito sa bahay hanggang dun sa port. Okay guys. Han, ano sa palagay mo? Magkakasya kaya ito? Ay, mayroon pa pala siyang palikpik sa taas, Han.
Sapat is also you can see.
Ha?
Sapat is also
Yeah,
you can
step.
see.
Ano sa step? Hindi, kapag sinarado mo yun, kapag sinarado natin yung ano, if we close the thing inside, ito, pag sinarado natin ito, itong moonroof na, the moonroof. Okay, so ito. Ay, dun sa likod pala to. Ito pala yung vent. Ano ba to? Teka,
Video ka na.
isarado ko ito.
Ayun. It's closing.
Oh, it's closing.
Pili nga, baka mayroong ano yan ah.
Hindi ka pinapag-aralan nga, hindi nga natin alam eh. Oh, yung isa. Yung para mag-close yung ano. Oh, already close.
This one.
This one is do. Sige. Okay.
Kaya na, bibidyoan kita. Hindi ata kasyahan.
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Tignan natin ha kung ano.
Teka lang. Ano ko lang yung ano. Sige, sige. Buksan mo lang yan para marinig mo ako.
Kakasya kaya?
Iwan ko sa'yo ah.
Bibili-bili ka ng ito.
Ayusin mo. Baka araruhin mo yung pilot.
Teka lang anak, ay ipako na lang ito eh. Ang sa palagay ko, lagi ang pilot na ay ano kung sakali mo dito sa kabila. Hirap ipasok. Tignan mo sa taas ha. Doon
Okay.
mo sa taas.
Dandahan lang. Teka lang ha, teka lang. Dandahan lang, dandahan lang.
Taas mo ha yung ano mo.
Dandahan lang, dandahan lang. Sige. Wala na nakabump dyan sa ano, taas?
Wala na.
Wala na? Tingnan mo, Han.
Ay, patay tayo. Mukhang hindi yata magkakasya. Ay, wala stick. You can stay here, bebe. Pasok, akit ka. Tapos, titignan mo kung ano ha. You gonna yell on me, okay?
Okay, open this one.
Oh, yeah. You're gonna make sure. Kuha mo yung video na yan. Dyan. Doon ka sa pinakalikod. Dyan. Bataan mo yun ha. Tignan mo rin ha. Isang mata ka rin dyan.
Ay, dandahan lang. Huwag mong bigla-bigla. My bad.
What's up with the tape?
Magdandahan ka lang, huwag mong pinaglain. Slowly. Slowly.
Go. Keep
Slow,
going.
slow.
Oh, just enough.
Yeah.
It's just enough.
Sige. Sige.
Mommy, you have to go off of there.
Whoop. Sige, one more. Sige pa. Whoop.
Oh my god. Yeah, it
Kasya.
fits. It fits.
Oh, doon na lang. Pareho mo siguro yung clearance na, no?
Oh my
Sige,
god.
isa pa. Sige, dumiretso ka ng konti kasi meron pang bakal dito. Tapos mag-antay ka.
Sige, go.
Baka naman mabunggong pilot. Sige. Kailang ha. Ako mapaganahan. Sige. Cyril, bumaba ka.
Babay mo, dito si Sinner sa harapan.
Sige na, sige na, sige na, sige na. Sige, go. Go. Slowly.
pa.
Slowly. Go, slowly. Sinel, ano mo, Sinel? Slowly, go.
It's there.
Okay, go.
Go. You just
Tayo
need
ng pilot.
You just need to be careful with that one.
Kailang. Hindi mo makita dyan?
Ayun o.
Ha?
This one.
Tanggalin na lang ito.
Tignan mo sa pitan ha. Ito pa Kasya.
Sige, sige.
Go.
Go, sige. Go. 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 Whoop. Yan na.
Eh, sa harapan. Baka hindi may sarado.
Ayan ang titingnan ko. Sige, go. Go. Go, go. Mga 1 feet. Go. Whoop. Huwag mo na yung atras, ha? Ow. Hindi may pipe doon. Pipe mo na.
Tignan mo.
Kasya, kasya. Ay, sasarado ko yung lahi, ha? Nen. Malawak ko dito, ano?
Oo nga eh. Dito ko lalabas muna. Para magkako. Han! May sarado na!
Ha?
Sarado na! Okay.
Just need to be careful with that one.
Yeah, you're gonna be careful with that one too. Ito, dito lang siya to, dito nagkatalo. Kailangan mo palang ibaba ito. Antina to eh, pwede palang tanggalin siguro to. Hindi, pwede palang ano. Tingnan, tabubuksan. Open it, bebe. Mami. Mayroon pang space, pwede pa rito, ayusin lang. Almost hindi nagkasya. Diyan lang, itumba lang ng konti. Antina ito han eh. Hindi mo pwedeng ano ito, pero pwedeng siguro patanggal ito. Pero hindi naman ano yan eh. So ano sa palagay mo, Kasya? Kasya guys, Kasya. Tama yung sinasabi ng kaibigan mo, no? Na itong garahe natin standard. Diesel guys, diesel. Kasya sa garahe. Ito lang ang nagkatalo. Tabingi pa, may maluwang pa pala. Ayusin lang namin ni Misis pagka ano. Nuhan no? Tabingi. Kung diniritso pala natin to,
Kahit diretso mo ito, makakalabas
then
na.
kung sakaling ma-approve tayo, pinturahan natin yung gitna para mayroong ano yung ano, no, may pwesto. Subukan mong sa driver seat Han. tinext kasi si Elijah, sabi niya, looks like the Honda that Honda look like a baby. Check ko kay Raylan kasi nagtatanong eh.
Napakatulog, di ba na ako?
Nagtatanong lang naman.
Nag-news na.
Kaibigan yun eh. Ano sa palagay mo, An? Pero kung 53, kung yung mahabahan, yung katulad kay Raylan na mahaba dito, kasya, sagad-sagad. Walang takip ito, Han. Masyadong...
Dito?
Oo, hindi ni sila nagbibigay ng takip. Bibilin mo yun.
Bakit sila meron?
Hindi, binili niya yun, Han.
O, at least, tanungin mo. Para may dagdag na siya. So, i-cash mo.
Huwag na muna yung ano ito, Han. Wala namang problema yan. Ito, kompleto. Oh. Grabe. Ikaw na.
May trailer bike na?
Kompleto yan, Han. Kasi nga, ano nga yan eh. Kompleto. Sa palagay mo, pwede? Ha? Ikutan mo sa kabila.
Parang 3 cm ito, 3 inches ito, Han.
Meron namang malaki dun, Han. Bibili na lang tayo.
Oo nga, mas malaki yan.
Mas malaki? O kasi nga pang burdagulan ito eh. Pang burdagulan kasi ito.
Sige na.
Sige, labas ko na. Titignan mo ulit. May mga step pa ito to. Para makalabas
Hindi
ako.
nga ako makapasok. Ito ang labas.
Ako rin eh, masasabit pag binuksan ko eh.
Ako pumasok kay Sinel. Kasi dyan ako lumabas eh.
Okay. Palabasin mo.
Palabasin naman si Sinel. Han, sa pagbaba. Labas. Labas. Sige. 3 inches na lang natira niyan. Pati pa ano nga
Ano?
pa.
Sige yan, i-move mo hanggang doon, no? Pakiramdaman mo nga. I-drive mo. Ito yung driving niya, ano? I-D, nakita mo D. Katulad ng dads natin dati. I-move mo hanggang doon, no? Pakiramdam mo kung kitang-kita mo. Ayan, may mataasan na ano yan eh. Oh.
Saan ang D?
Ayan. Ipindutin mo. Ito yung ano niya, oh. Nandito sa kabila, oh. Ilagay mo sa D. Naka ano yan, naka-park yan. So,
Saan ang D?
ito, i-move mo yan. Pakan mo muna yung pre, no? Katulad ng Honda rin. O, tapos ilagay mo sa D. Ayun, oh. Doon mo makikita, drive. Tapat mo sa D. D. Yan.
Okay.
Yeah, sa banda round. Yeah, atras, atras. .360 no, kitang-kita pa nga yung mga camera hanggang dito sa likuran eh. 360. Kinanana ni Misis.
Yung camera sa taas?
Oo, 360 nga eh. Kitang-kita. Nandito pa pala yung sticker price niya, guys. Oo, ano din hanatan. Sige, abanti mo dun sa banda round. Hani, paikot mo. Umikot ka round. Ginagawa ni Misis na laruan eh. Ano, banti mo rito. Banti mo rito kasi walang ano, may ano. Maganda? Lagyan mo sa park.
Apart na yan?
Kinana ni Misis, guys. Si Misis kumana. Maganda? Itong kagandahan nito, Han, kasi may cubby hole dito. Tignan mo. Doon ka sa kabila. Taas mo, pa mo.
Oh, okay.
Yung sa kabila, hilain mo. Pwede rin dyan. Oh. Pwede mong lagay ng mga kung ano rito. Si baka yung mga cellphone nila. Oh, ito rin yung ano, cup holder. Oh.
Ano yun?
Three-way, yung sa ano. Hindi, ito yung anong tawag nito? Ipa-plug mo siya kapag ka yung ipapasok mo sa, ito yung kanyang ano, bank heater, oh. Ay, bank heater yung kanyang ano.
Electric?
Hindi electric. Sa pala yung kanyang ano, yung
Hindi to.
sinasaksak. Hindi dyan, Han. Dyan ba yung ano?
Ano yung sinasaksak?
Hindi, yung kapag ka malamig, mainit, or pag malamig ang panahon, ipa-plug mo, di ba? Yung engine heater.
Eh, tanongin mo din paano yung mga yan. Sige na.
Yung engine heater katulad niya, no? Yung
Camera?
oh, yung sinasaksak ng ano mo.
Dami na yung camera.
Oh, yung sinasaksak ng sakya, yung ano natin. Guys, tapos na kami nag-test drive. So, bali ang mangyayari nito, ibabalik muna namin sa financing at pag-uusapan namin ni Misis yung ano, makikipagtawaran kami kasi as you guys can see, ang selling price nito is 117,000 something. Basta 117,000 na Canadian dollar. Tignan namin kung magkano ang maaari naming mahinging discount at saka higit sa lahat kung kaya ba ng budget nito at kung ma-approve kami sa financing. Alright guys, so daling ko na ito sa dealership sa Bicar Ford. Ayan. Tapos malaman na lang natin, ito test drive lang, at least na testing namin sa aming garahe. Kasya pala ang pick up doon, kaya thank you naman. At least ito paano alam na namin in the future, alam na namin na pwede pala ang pick up doon sa aming. So guys, tara, let's go guys. Did you wear your seat belt? Ang luwang, tignan mo yung mga paa nila. It's wide. Legroom space is okay?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Sabihin kay mami, we're going now. Okay. Antayin ko lang si Misis guys na may sarado niya, tapos balik na kami sa Ford.
Oh my
Engine.
God. It's gonna feel so
Swiss. Oh, he's crying out loud.
Ford. Number 3 Ford. Bro, I can't even
Okay. Right. Rear right. Baki. Close your door. It says yeah, open and close it.
Okay. Alright.
Not too hard, okay?
Not too hard.
Okay. That good?
Wait, ganun pa rin. Diyan sa'yo, baka diyan sa'yo. Clark, subukan mo kay Clark. Clark. Open. And close. Oh, kay Clark pala. Alright, there. Okay. Now, makikita mo pa pala yung mga hindi naka-seatbelt. You see? Yung mga taong naka-seatbelt at hindi naka-seatbelt. At Clark naka-seatbelt, ako hindi pa. Bakit? Put your seatbelt on. Tapos, dito makikita kapag ka na-reverse mo guys. 360 yung camera, oh. The camera 360, oh. 360, makita mo yung right side, left side.
Oh, it's high K.
It's okay? Okay. Alright, anyway. Let's go.
Yo!
Antayin na lang natin si ma'am.
At the lock the doors.
Okay guys, ito yun na, ito. So, import employee pricing on now. So, ayan o, 2026 F250 Crew Cab 4x4 Lariat SR W 6.7 liter power stroke V8 diesel. Ayan yun yung kanyang VIN number. MSRP 117,138. Less employee price adjustment is 13,000 guys, yung employee pricing. So, yan ang mabayaran ko kung sakali man magustuhan namin ni Misis. So, yan. You pay what we pay. Okay, that's good. Alright, but anyway guys, tara, daling ko na. Alis na tayo. Sunod na lang si ma'am. Okay, let's go.
Mom is waiting.
Okay. Everybody seatbelt. Everybody seatbelt, Turkey. Napaka ano ni Turkey, oh.
Handle. Yo, we can open there too.
Yeah. Yeah, if you want to step in there too. You like it?
I wanna go in there. I wanna go in there.
Now, if we get approved, ka talaga, oh. Alright guys, dito na kami sa Big R. Bibigay ko lang tong susi sa kanila. So, it fits in our garage. So, we will try to apply for we will try to apply.
Yo, we wanna go in there.
Papunta na kayo kay Ma'am Clark.
Okay naman.
Ha? Daling ko na to sa at kausapin ko sila kung ano sasabihin.
Wala ko. Tama na ko. That's not ours yet.
Not yet.
I think it's on the side.
That's not ours yet. Whatever scratch in there, that's our accountable.
Parehas lang pala to. Hindi, isa lang ito. Hindi ito black premium. May walang moonroof. Alright.
330 pa, di ba?
Oo, magantay-antay na lang. Tanungin ko doon, Han, tapos kung sakali ma. Okay, adjust. Adjust, andito na ako sa opisina niya. Parang wala siya eh. Tinext ko na siya. Gaya ko lang dito. Abang-abang lang tayo sa kanya. XLT Ford XLT Doing good. Expedition ganda. Black Ada. Ganda.
How was the truck? Did you like it or what?
Excellent, man. Excellent. It's the one more thing is it fits in our garage. That's the one thing that I'm worried
I
about.
love that picture. I was worried it doesn't fit. And
Yeah, that's the one thing that that's the one thing I'm worried.
You need one of those, brother.
Huh?
After this one, you need one of those.
Oh no, it's almost.
Yeah.
Just like this only. It's too small. Only the one thing it's not fit is the this thing. It won't go. Oh, you can just twist a little. The antenna. Yeah.
I think I can shorten that for you.
No, it's not. It's okay. You can just go. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway, Thank you. We will see. We will wait for Natasha.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell Natasha to give you a call. Hopefully we can get everything done, okay?
Yeah,
Take
okay.
care, brother.
Alright, thank you, my friend. Okay. Alright, guys, let's go home. At least we're done here. Just gonna wait for the financing only now. Okay, let's go, let's go.
Take care, brother.
Alright, you too. You've been busy.
Yeah, bro. What can I say?
You've been busy. Busy siya. Ano? 3:30 o tatawagan ako. Subukan namin pumunta ng 3:30. I'll come at 3:30 if I don't feel ko. Okay. Let's go. Mag-grocery muna tayo.
Ano yun yun?
Hindi, siguro dinali yun han eh. GMC yun, inaano yata nila. I-trade in nila.
Tawagan ka daw ni Natasha.
Oo, kasi busy kita man, dami nilang ano eh. Hindi mo malaman ang gagawin eh. Alright guys, siguro putulin ko na video vlog natin dito at hanggang sa susunod na pagkikita, road test na namin, na-test drive na namin at nakita ni Misis, Kasyang Kasya. At ang number one na excited dito is si Misis ko, hindi ako. Kasi ako hindi ko naman may mamaniho yan. Gawa nga ng siyempre sa biyahe tayo. Siyempre kasama ni Misis yung mga bata. At yan, kung saan sila gusto, hihilahin nyo yung RV. Andun lang sila lagi. Yan. Alright, but anyway, antay-antay lang tayo. Tignan natin kung ma-approve tayo. So bali, yun. May usapan na kami ni Leja. Na i-lower down ko yun ng 95,000 guys. 95,000 ay hindi, 96,500. So nakita nyo na 117 ang kanyang selling price. Na-lower down ko siya ng ng 96,500. So almost magkano yun ha? 23? 23,000 yung discount. Kita, kwentahin natin, di ba? So ang
Tulungan mo muna.
yan, diretso ko lang.
Hirap nito kasi
Bababa. So ang selling price nun guys is nakita nyo naman, pa-plus ko sa screen nyo. Selling price nya is 117,138. 117.138 minus 96,500. Yan yung tawad ko. Quals, naka-discount ako ng guys, 20,638. Kung ma-approve ako ng kung magasa na-approve na ako sa 96,000, okay na yung deal namin na yan. So sa 96,000 at 20,638 ang kanyang na-discount na hingi ko sa kanila, which is yung kanilang hanggang yung employee pricing nila is 13,000 lang. So 103,000 lang dapat yun, dahil siyempre magaling tayo makipag-negotiate. Naibigay nila yung 96,500, 20,000, almost 21,000 yung na ko sa kanila na hingi ko discount. So yung 96,000 na yun guys, 96,500 na yun. Nag-deposit ako doon ng ng minus 1,500. So kaya ito yung ipipinance ko, linuluto na sa financing. Ayan, pero ito guys don't get me wrong, itong $95,000 na to, mayroon pa itong tax. Yung tax nito is about so 12%, 5% GST, 7% HST. So pag combine mo yon, so 12% ang tax na rito. So i-plus natin na plus 12% equals magiging 106,400 lat yon. So magkano ang tax? So minus natin ng 95,000 So yung tax niyan is 11,400. Yan ang babayaran ko. Plano naming bayaran ni Misis yan, 11,400 na yan, na in cash separately, para yung 95,000 na lang ipipinas namin. So parang 11,400 plus yung deposit ko na 1,500 equals, bali ang down payment namin dyan sa pickup na yan is 12,900, almost 13,000. Yung iba, ang discarding ginagawa ng iba is isinasama na nila yung, kung kunwari 95,000 plus yung tax na 12,000, so magiging 107. Yun yung ipifinance nila. Although pares lang din naman kung gusto, kung pipintahin mo. Pero mas gusto ko yung idea na bayaran ko yung tax separately at saka yung 95,000 yung aking ang aking ipipinas namin ni Misis. Kausap ko na yung si Natasha nung nakarang araw, is sabi naman niya meron ng approval, pero dahil nga busy, mamaya 3:30 malalaman natin. Yes. So but anyway, patuloy ko na vlog ko dito at malalaman natin kung magkakasundo kami sa financing. Kasi sa financing, kung hindi ko nakrusong na daan, hindi namin makrusong na daan yung interest na ibibigay sa amin, maaari pa kami mag-back out as long as hindi ka pa nagpipirma ng kontrata na sa financing. Yun lang talaga sa financing. Guys, thank you for watching. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. Say bye-bye now.
Bye!
So wait for the next video of this, kanyo. We will see if we get the pickup truck, okay?
Yeah, wait for part 2.
Wait for part 2. Mami, wait for part 2. Guys, see you next time. I'll be all peace out. Bye-bye. Lakay Tracker.